All right. Hello, everyone.
Hi everyone, nice to see you all again. Today is Tuesday, 3rd of May, 3rd of May. Yeah. So we are
Yeah,
nearly half the year, half of 2022. Just
yeah,
one more month and we are half of 2022, reaching half of 2022. Yeah. So,
yeah,
Mr. Richard, what do you have for us today?
yeah. We see the market is really red. Yeah, um,
Yeah.
yeah. A lot of people may have a good holiday, enjoy the holiday, and just keep the market on on one side and continue with the holiday.
Have,
Enjoy first. Yeah, that's why.
having their own party
Yeah,
at their
because
friend's house.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
That's why.
over here in Singapore, on the 26th of April, which is last week, Singapore has opened up, uh, lifted off quite COVID restrictions, which
Yeah,
means you can actually go out in the open air. You can go without mask. Of course, I still wear mask if I go out. I don't want to take a risk. Yeah,
yeah,
so you can have more activities which you previously couldn't do during COVID restriction. Yeah, which is kind of like a breather for a lot of people. Yeah, so in fact, a number of my friends went to Johor.
oh,
One of them went to Vietnam. Uh, some of them went to Thailand. So people are beginning to travel all around the world.
yeah. That's right.
uh, yeah, so it looks like a good thing, but let's not forget to always wear masks everywhere we go as well. Yeah, because even in Singapore, even if the government is saying, oh yeah, you cannot wear mask in open air, I still wear masks,
Yeah,
because you don't know because this COVID is a long term thing. You don't know when the new variants will come out, and then it becoming if the new variant is going to be more contagious than or whatever. Yeah. So just be safe. Yeah.
yeah. And now back to the topic today. We need to update the market. Yeah, the price at this moment is 38,500, and we uh, we see we see what the reason why, and we receive some of the information is Fed will determine the fate of the market. Yeah, there's a five things we need to know. Yeah, um,
Mm.
if you want more detail, later we go to detail about this about Fed will have the FOMC is a meeting uh, to today. That means today and tomorrow. That's why we will have more information after today, and the price uh, maybe change, maybe go up or maybe go down. But the possibility, it may go down at this moment for a while, but it may hit to the support level and fade back in the spotlight because you may know the inflation and some of the information about uh, uh, this day. It look like some of the financial institute to talk with their investor, like the Berkshire Hathaway from Warren Buffett. He also have a long speech at around 6 hours to talk with their investor to share their their view about the market. Yeah, he of course he also uh, don't believe in cryptocurrency, and at this time he's 91 years old, and his partner is Charlie Munger is 98 years old. Yeah, and then back to the FOMC meeting of the Fed, we see is what FOMC is a Federal Open Market Committee to be held on May 3rd and May 4th. Yeah. I also like the quote about first came the Fed, then the next big apocalypse, then the Russian invasion, then the sanctions, then the Fed and the largest treasury dump ever. Yeah, this week is for the earning. Next week, the Fed again. Yeah, this is the quote from Alex Gruger. He talked on the last weekend about the thing. Yeah, we see what will happen on Wednesday tomorrow. What the market. But I also believe the market will go up on Wednesday. Yeah. After it go down on Monday, Tuesday. Uh,
Yeah,
yeah,
let's hope it does move in that direction. Yeah.
yeah. And then the next point is it is time for 28,000 Bitcoin, the question mark here. Yeah. Let's go to the question mark. Because based on the trade view, the at this time of this spot is about 37,600. Yeah. And the price and the people they can some analysis they also do the research and he some of the popular trader Kristen he also thinks that he loved it go down to 26 is he loved it go down below 30,000. Yeah, because maybe he want to buy cheap
Yeah,
buy
of course.
low he want to buy low price at least at in his thought his twist he says because of the volume buying crypto is low people they forget they go for holiday so they don't have time to buy crypto at this time that's why the price go low and yeah and here's some information about his twist yeah his twist he says he share information about the base level. Okay, we go next one is US dollar strengthen, keep up the pressure. Yeah, because of netting, because of the US dollar is strengthened. If you compare with the rate between the Singapore dollar and US dollar, also we see that the the difference because if you go to the exchange, the US dollar with the SGD is 1.4 now. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
1.4.
having said that, this US dollar strengthened, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
strengthened against SGD and all. So, but let's not forget that US is still in the midst of very serious inflation right now. Yeah, which
yeah,
means because of this I'm not too sure whether it's totally because of this Ukraine war, but US dollar has been on an inflation even before the war happened. Yeah, so in March the inflation was 8.5%. April it was
yeah.
7.9%.
That's right.
So it
8.5.
is anything that's above 7%. It requires people to get on their toes and start to think
Yeah,
and worry about their because if inflation is this high, I mean even in Singapore we are feeling it, we are paying for it, we are paying a lot of things, uh, a lot of things that we are paying for out in the market, out in the shops, are already we are already seeing more than 10%, 10 to 12% increase, at least in
yeah,
things that we are buying right now. Yeah, so I think it's no different in the West as well. You see their petrol pump price or gas pump price went really high, and their food and their everything
yeah,
basically. So of course, over in the money market, US dollar is strengthening. Yeah,
yeah,
that seems to be the case. But I think the people are feeling the squeeze right now.
yeah.
even in Europe as well. With all these things that's going on, the sanctions on against Russia that's going on, things change overnight. Things can change overnight. Situations can change overnight. So a lot of them, especially it is basically the people that are suffering because when there's increase in something, those who are well off, they are of higher income, they can survive. Those who are at the middle to lower one, they feel the stress, they feel the tension. Yeah. So
Yeah, that's right. It's correct. And then we go to the next the last two thing is about the trading. With the people, we can check the liquid, liquid supply.
illiquid supply.
Yeah, this supply from the information from the glass node to show to us is the increasing liquid supply BTC. This uh, on the April 22 is showing up the more liquid supply and the lower of the price. So it's so that now we are around here, and we see which the Van der Bob agree with the indicator tell a lot tells a lot and could ever take some of the fear to this. A lot of people, some of the people want to spread the news, want to do the first. They also say, "Oh, it's maybe below 30,000 to uh, to let some of the people, the we say the amateur trader in crypto can sell up ASAP." Yeah, and the last thing, crypto sentiment gross over macro. That is could be information about the crypto fear and risk. Then now we can see the the chart is go up. Later we can go to check with the risk and fear, uh, risk and fear index. With the risk and fear index at this moment, update is update live. Let me check now. Wait for why every day the fear. Okay, it's 2027. Still fear. Still fear.
Last
Yeah,
week, yesterday, now it's all about a similar
it's all
level.
the similar. Yeah, 27. And but the last one is 48. Yeah. So we need more time because a lot of things like the Fed will have some action with the information to Fed want to strengthen the dollar and then they do the thing to dump a lot of market, not only in crypto market but also the stock market also uh, in the same situation. However, with this action with the inflation, some of the country um, in uh, in South America, Argentina, there are two banks they accept the crypto trading on their platform. This information just received this morning uh, about the Banco Glacia. Banco Glacia is one of the biggest bank in Argentina. Uh,
Argentina.
yeah, we also know Argentina have been bankrupt for a long time ago. Around I forgot the years, but it's in 19 um, and they
Argentina. You mean what? Argentina? What happened to Argentina?
got the the bankrupt the
Debt. A lot of debt. You mean?
yeah that's mean that bankrupt, yeah, and and their economy
Yeah.
may
Like
go,
according to the information
yeah,
from Wikipedia,
yeah,
on 2 years ago. Yeah. Now it's May,
yeah,
right? May 2020.
yeah,
Uh, they have what 500 million
yeah,
due
that,
to its creditor or something like that.
yeah, that's
But yeah, but recently, a couple of months ago, or rather last month, they have started to work with China, getting China to help them in their infrastructure, I think, or getting them on the BRI. Yeah. So I guess they are planning to do something, hoping that their economy will get better as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's hope that this country, not just this country, any other countries, they begin to improve in their economy as well. Yeah, because
Yeah.
we are now in a time where there are a lot of uncertainty, with this World War III hanging by the side of the year.
Yeah.
Yeah, because this Ukraine and Russia war is probably not going to end very soon. Yeah,
Yeah.
because if if it's going to is if it ends early, those warmongers will be like losing business. They can't sell weapons now. Yeah,
Yeah.
but so in order to sell more weapons, the war need to go on according to their perspective. Yeah,
Yeah.
so there are a lot of people trying to influence this war and wants this war to carry on, which
Yeah.
looks very bad in a sense. So it actually affects European economy, affects a lot of other economies around it. Yeah, so let's hope that it ends. Yeah, of course, this war is going to create a lot of countries with give a lot of countries with some new financial problems,
Yeah.
which
That's right.
needs a long time to solve.
Yeah. And then back to the some of the positive news about some country accept crypto, and
Yeah,
some of
yeah,
the application they accept crypto to get rid of the traditional financial. And
yeah,
from Mr. Nicholas' slide, he also want to share with us about the Telegram.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I believe every one of you or maybe your friends
Yeah.
are using Telegram. So
Yeah.
basically, Telegram has been around for some time. I think quite some time ago.
Long
Uh,
time ago. It's
I downloaded it, and none of my friends are using it. Then I decided to delete it. And after that,
yeah.
I changed to a new phone, and then I downloaded it again.
Yeah.
So there are a few rounds of it until I realized, oh, actually Telegram is very fast. It is very
Yeah.
useful in terms of transferring files from app to app. It's very very fast.
Oh.
So it, over here in Singapore, a lot of people use WhatsApp. They also use Telegram.
Yeah.
Slowly, these Telegram users are increasing. So you have WhatsApp, and then you have Telegram,
Yeah.
and WhatsApp has been around for even longer time, but it is very slow to me. To me, the way I look at WhatsApp is very slow. Yeah,
Yeah.
so Telegram, in terms of synchronizing with a desktop app, is way more faster, much faster.
Yeah.
So Telegram, more and more people are using it. Even in my sports group, in my social group, more and more of my groups, they are starting to switch to Telegram
Yeah.
because it's much easier to use. It has a lot more information, a lot more functions that you can use. And the thing about privacy is that it allows people to use Telegram with only username, so that the user may not get easily be harassed. Let's say
Yeah.
if she's a girl, and then this guy in a sometimes we have a group chat, a lot of people, and some of them don't know each other. Oh, this girl is cute, so I want to harass her. So you can't do that. The
Yeah.
person block you is easy. Yeah, you won't get phone number so easily. Yeah, so that is a good chat app for a lot of people. Yeah, so Telegram, last 2 years ago, they announced or reported it was reported that they are shutting down. They have shut down the TON, TON, which is their what something network. Yeah. So
Because the tone from Telegram is a token.
yes,
Last it's for a long time ago, because some of the crypto the people who trade crypto, they must know Telegram, because the Telegram is one of the most application chat
yeah,
that encrypt the data, and it's safe for the user to from the third party. They can get the information. That's why the crypto node when they do trading or when they sell or buy crypto, they must have the Telegram. Yeah, that's why the Telegram they also develop. They intend to release the Ton as a token to do the ICO public in the US. However, the SEC they rejected. Um, and after that they don't it look like they don't want to keen into the release any crypto but now recently I received a news. I checked the news. They make the water bot. If you go to the Telegram with the messenger, you can check the water bot, and this is a bot that you can send the ton or send the Ton coin, the token, without the tree to any Telegram user. This means when no longer need to enter long wallet address. Yeah, it mean that all the blockchain is interact with all the user on the Telegram.
Yeah,
Like
the most beautiful thing about this thing is no transaction fee according to this information here.
yeah,
So you can transfer your money, your coin to another person without incurring transaction fee. Yeah.
yeah, that's right. Look like if someone want to get a tone, he have the tone and he send the coin to another user, and it's very fast without the transaction fee. The most important, without the transaction fee,
Yeah.
because if with any token, if the token based on the Ethereum or BNB blockchain, you must have to send with the fee. Yeah, the gas fee for the coin sending. Yeah, and now it's a new thing. So a lot of Telegram user may enjoy with this. Yeah, this one is one of the good news for the crypto, the people who do the trading, who use the cryptocurrency. And back to some of the sad news about the Wikipedia. Just now, Mr. Nicholas said to us about the Wikipedia. The news is about Wikipedia. They will close down the payment Bitcoin payment donation.
Oh, you mean Wikipedia
Yeah,
itself?
yeah.
All right.
This means that since 2014, Wikipedia accept donation by Bitcoin, and until May 1st, 2022, Wikipedia stopped receiving Bitcoin donation because they don't want people thinking that Wikipedia is illegal, something like that.
Yeah,
Because yeah, yeah,
especially where is it Wikipedia from? Are they from US? Are they based in US?
no, it's around the world. I'm not sure, so you can Google and check.
Okay,
Yeah,
let me see.
yeah,
United States, yes. According
maybe
to Google,
in US.
tells us that this Wikipedia is based in or country of origin, United States. Owner
Yeah,
Wikimedia Foundation, and created by this guy called Jimmy Wales, and then Larry Sanger. Yeah. So apparently they are based in United States. Uh,
yeah,
because they are from based in United States, then you have this SEC to worry about. This SEC love to come in and say you can't do this, you can't do that.
yeah.
So
That's right.
I think they are just being more cautious. I guess nothing to worry
Yeah,
about.
that's the reason why, because it's based on US and they must follow with the rule. Yeah, they don't want US government say Wikipedia is illegal institute, so they must to shut down it. Yeah, that is the reason why, and it's not a big deal because only they receive the donation, only 0.08% of the total donation received by cryptocurrency. That means they receive the cryptocurrency
Just a
donation.
small portion of it, right?
Yeah, that's right. It's just a small portion. Yeah, and now we go back to the next information I want to share with you. Okay, Mr. Nicholas, about the
Okay.
new
Posta
Posta.
Posta is a model of the car,
Yeah,
electric vehicle by Volvo. So previously it was tagged together with Volvo. It's very much like Toyota Corolla, then you have the Nissan Sunny, then there is this Volvo Posta. But now Posta has they have made Posta to be a separate brand by
yeah,
itself instead of being called Volvo Posta. It's just going to be called Posta.
yeah,
Yeah, very much like the Infinity brand. Yeah. So this this brand is owned by Volvo and also Geely. They are co-ownership, joint ownership,
yeah,
and Volvo is from Sweden and Geely from China. Yeah. So this car is built in China, but the thing is that they are using blockchain to trace mineral from their source to the finish EV to ensure ethical mining. I don't know. They are just using blockchain to the, track the materials that they are taking from to make their batteries, right? Because for EVs, a battery is a big thing. If you can't have good battery, I think your car is going to stop there and not move.
yeah. I
Yeah,
also
so
hear some of the Vietnamese uh, car car maker in he also the company also interact with the blockchains.
yeah.
Uh,
Which company is that?
the fast car, but
VinFast, right? Yeah.
yeah, but I see they will release the NFT for the US buyer, NFT for the US buyer only, um, and uh,
So it's
and let's
kind
see
of
how.
like the up in even into EV market. This blockchain and NFTs are going to play
Yeah, it's look
very
like if if you are the car buyer, you book the car, you can claim the NFT. Uh,
ah
yeah, and with that NFT, you can sell or you can keep. Yeah, it's up to you. Yeah,
that's interesting.
yeah, that's
So
nice.
yeah, so this blockchain, over the last couple of months, we've covered blockchain being in the supply chain. Even supermarkets are using blockchain to to track their to track their products, and
Yeah,
now EVs using blockchain to trace their minerals. I think more and more of these are going to come up in various industry, and I think slowly and surely the whole world will be thinking and talking about blockchain even more. Yeah,
yeah,
because at the end of the day, there will always be one question that these people who don't know about blockchain and crypto, they'll be asking, what is blockchain? They
yeah,
always ask this question. So they see, oh, this EV, they have this blockchain to trace. Then they start to ask, what is blockchain? And then they start to research, do some research into blockchain, and say, oh, there's this crypto thing.
yeah,
Of course,
yeah,
I'm pretty sure by now, probably a very high percentage of the world's population already know what cryptocurrency is. It's just that whether they are on it, in it, or not. Yeah.
yeah,
But still, we are hoping that developing countries will get into the game as well, because it will definitely help them in terms of money transfer from, let's say, if they are working in another country, and then they need to send money home, which is very halfway around the globe possibly. So they can use all these technologies available in the market to send money quickly to their families. You don't
yeah,
want this money to go to the US, stuck there for 2 weeks, then come to your home country and then give to your family, and then maybe in 2 weeks they might
Yeah, that's
miss a few meals.
yeah, that's a reason why the bank they don't like crypto because yeah,
Because they
yeah,
can't charge
yeah,
money for it.
yeah, and then I also get the news from Reuters, uh, Swiss National Bank. He says he say buying Bitcoin is not a problem for us. We can do it either directly or can buy investment product which are based on Bitcoin. This is not from Jordan. And then he says we can arrange some technical stuff, but from the currently, we do not believe Bitcoin meet the requirement of the currency reserve. That's why we have until now decided not to have Bitcoin on our balance sheet. Yeah, that is
So they say actually the title is very diplomatic title. They say
yeah,
you're not ready to hold Bitcoin as
yeah,
reserve currency. Yeah,
yeah,
so of course they didn't say that they are not going to hold Bitcoin at all. They
yeah,
probably have some Bitcoin, but they're
yeah,
just not going to use it as reserve currency. Yeah, yet maybe in
yeah.
future, but not now.
Maybe in the future, but not now. And now back to some of the strategy trading in the option trading. Yeah, yeah. You can get more detail from the link. Later I show you from the coin telegraph. Before some of the trader in Bitcoin option can get a profit, and he can use iron condor. That's a limited downside to protect when the price go down and can get the profits at the 40,500 between the 40,500 and 60,500 to earn the profits. Yeah, this is one of the trading strategy. Yeah, that is the some of the information we want to share to our audience this morning, and I hope you all can have enough information during the the red market. Now the price of Bitcoin
Uh,
go down a little bit, 38,400. Yeah, and we hope tomorrow after I think around Thursday, after Thursday, because FOMC meeting uh, will complete on the May 4th, not tomorrow. Yeah, that's why. Uh,
they want to do it on Star Wars date, right?
yeah, yeah. And we will see. We will have a look. And a lot of uh, big boss, also big bank, big boss, they don't like Bitcoin. They want to dump the price. Why they want to dump the price? Just because they want to buy Bitcoin with a cheap price. We just remember like that.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
for them, they are playing with this almost every day, probably. So as long as it falls to a certain point, they can just try to because if the margin is large enough, they're going to make a lot of money. Yeah.
yeah. That's right. Okay, thanks for your watching and join with us. If you still be around, so please let's give us one like, some share, and subscribe. Thanks for your watching, and see you in next live stream.
Thank you all for watching. See you all soon. Yeah. Bye bye.